all you have to do is to create a new script and then define your function. So let us call it draw cycle. So for a cycle, you need a radius, let us call it r, and we also need the center of the cycle. So we need the s coordinate of the center and the y coordinates of the center. And for any cycle, we know that the full angle in a cycle is 360. So I can use my line space in order to get it gives me a default of 100 points. So I have 0, and in radians I have 2 pi, and default is 100 points between 0 degrees to 2 pi. But if I want additional point for precision, I can add a third argument. So in this case, I want 1000 points. Alternatively, you can define your angle using 0 semicolon 2 pi. So now I have to define my x and y points in the cycle. So the formula for that is I have r cos theta, which is my cos angle, then plus my s coordinates. So that will give me my s points, and for my y points I will have r sin theta, which is an angle, and I will have my y coordinates. So I now have my x and y points. So all I need is to plot it. X, y, I want it to be a red, so I will use the r. I want to increase the line width from the default in order to have a thick line. So let me increase it to 3. Then I will hold on and plot the center. So I will have my s coordinate, I will have my y coordinates, I will have my marker in B, I will have a plus marker, and increase the marker size so that it becomes very visible. And then I will give it 30. So then I will end my function. So I will save it. You save it with the name you define it. So draw cycle should be the name, and you will have your function appearing at the current folder. In order to call your function, it has to be in the current folder, which is the working directory. So now if I want to draw a cycle, so draw cycle, with radius 5 and centered as 0. So I will have my cycle. As you can see, it is a cycle with centered as 0 with radius 5. If I want to change, for example, I want 7 centered at 2. So I have my cycle. You can see it is centered at 2, and you have a radius of 7. You have 9 here, and you have -5 here. To get more information on how to make use of function or how to create a function in MATLAB, click the video on the screen. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you really enjoyed the video. Thank you so much.